In grow rooms across the world, the switchover from HPS to LED lighting continues at a relentless pace. Making the change will bring about many benefits, but selecting an LED replacement for your HPS and the existing setup it operates within typically requires a little bit of thought. Indeed, looking at wattages and simply assuming that a standard 600-watt LED is the same as a standard 600-watt HPS can lead to issues and cause frustration. The two types of light emit different spectrums, different amounts of heat, and different part outputs, all of which will have an impact on where, when, and how they're used. With this in mind, you might be surprised to learn that nothing on the market really offers you the ability to carry out a straight like-for-like HPS to LED swap. Until now. Let us introduce to you the Gavita CT 2000E. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to support us, subscribe to the GroWell channel. The Gavita CT 2000E is designed to offer growers the perfect transition from HPS to LED and promises to radically improve any suitable tent or room setup. According to the manufacturer, this light directly goes up against a best-in-class 1000-watt double-ended HPS system. However, it only needs 780 watts of power to outshine the older tech, producing a sensational PPF of 2000 UMOL per second, due to the far greater PAR rating of 2.6 UMOL per watt. Upgrade today and you'll be running a much more efficient fixture, cutting down energy consumption by almost 25% come the summer, paving the way for significantly reduced electricity costs. The Gavita CT 2000E subjects your plants to a slightly broader spectrum than the HPS equivalent, successfully steering them through both the growth and bloom stages, and serving to improve the final quality of your crop, most notably in terms of taste and aromas. Standard LEDs reproduce the blues and reds that plants need to grow. The Gavita CT 2000E masterfully surpasses the traditional level of performance for LEDs and scales from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers with incredible uniformity, boosting blue and red wavelengths whilst balancing in between with beneficial green. The Gavita CT 2000E also utilizes wide optics that create a nearly identical light pattern to HPS fixtures, emitting an even spread of light to completely satisfy all of your plants, whether they're at the edges or at the center of the grow space. Purchasing a compatible Gavita controller lets you dim the output of the CT 2000E, either via automatic adjustments courtesy of any master controllers, or via manual tweaks through the RS1 remote switch. You can link up 1 to 1000 fixtures in a chain, all under the guidance of one of these controllers, and connecting them is easy thanks to the network cable that accompanies each light. If you want to operate a single CT 2000E minus a controller, Gavita have included a dummy plug for inserting into the controller port. A really appreciated move on their part, allowing hobbyists to embrace the commercial grade technology. The Gavita CT 2000E relies on a slightly different hanging system to other LED grow lights, consisting of a set of metal rods for suspending it off a support bar in your room or tent. This means that the height of the fixture will be difficult to adjust during a grow, but considering the power and brightness at your disposal, using a controller to manipulate the intensity is deemed more than adequate anyway. Because of the compact design, the unit does feel quite heavy when compared to LEDs with a similar wattage. To ensure the ongoing maintenance of a completely safe growing environment, the Gavita CT 2000E includes a safety wire for use when hanging it to give you extra peace of mind. On the same note, where possible, we highly recommend that 2 people put up this light together. Those are the broad strokes covering the Gavita CT 2000E. For any grower with a premium 1000 watt HPS system at present, and the necessary budget, it seems like a no-brainer to make the switch to this LED. You can give your plants more light and a wider spectrum to promote vigorous growth, huge yields, and enhanced crop quality, whilst also saving money on your electricity bill during summer. We would like to stress that there are differences in terms of how you manage one type of light and its environment versus the other. A failure to acknowledge and address certain developments, for example, lower water consumption from plants grown under LEDs, might give you the impression that switching causes more harm than good. Yet with your indoor conditions fully optimized, the results of introducing a light, such as the Gavita CT 2000E, will amaze and astound you. Got a question about this fixture? Leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Also give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more LED overviews.